In this video we're going to look at how to use mockups in Affinity Designer for iPad in the beginner series. The first thing, open Affinity Designer and select Open from the Cloud from the panel, or you may have it somewhere else, but the image you want is to open from, in this case, from the cloud. Now I have some templates there already, some mockup templates. And I'm going to select template 1. Why not? It's the first one. You can find templates in a lot of places on the internet. Some are free, some are not. PSD templates, that is, ones made for Photoshop, work fine with Affinity Designer. Open the mockup of your choice, and in this case I'm using a paper bag. Go to the Layers tab on the right and select the logo layer once you've got it open, and you can see I've got the logo layer selected there. The logo will highlight, you'll see the highlight bar around the logo. Then on the toolbar, select Place Image. Now we're going to place an image that you've already selected and put somewhere. And preferably this is a transparent image or an image with a transparent background, so that you don't end up with a white patch on your design. Select the file you would like to use on your mockup. The file needs to ideally be a PNG file with a transparent background, as I just mentioned. This way it will look like it's supposed to be there on your bag. If using an image to put inside, say, an iPhone mockup, the image does not need to be PNG in that case, or transparent, because it's going to be on something else. But in this case, as you can see, there's a bag behind it, and you want to be able to see the colour of the bag. The image will appear onto the mockup over the original mockup image, and you can see insert your image here in a white stripe. Now what we want to do with that is alter that slightly. So go to the Layers tab and select the original mockup logo. Untick the box so the logo is hidden and only your image is on the bag. Adjust your image to where you would like it, because you can move it around, adjust the handles, adjust the size. I'll just leave that one pretty much like it is. And your mockup is now finished. There's your paper bag mockup with your own logo on it. Could be, in this case, a running girl, might be a sportswear company. Lots of sportswear sold in paper bags, or whatever you like to put on there. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. It's very much appreciated and goes a long way, helps me a lot. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel if you come across it later at that address, or as you're on the site now, just click on subscribe and like right here on the channel.